Hello my monarchs, welcome back to my channel. If y'all want to see how I did this beautiful set of nails, continue on watching. I got this new Gelix nail kit from Amazon. Run to Amazon because all this you're gonna see is under $10. We got our nail tip cutter, cable for UV lamp, nail glue, UV lamp, $500 pieces clear coffin nail tips, two mini nail filers, as well as some instructions. Now let's get started on nail tip fitting. We have to make sure it's not too over the nail and not too small as well, just right. We have to make sure when we press down onto our nail, the nail tips fit perfect. Now that we have our nail tips ready and pre-measured, we can start filing them down. I'm using my electric nail filer. Time to file down my actual nails. I used one of the mini nail filers the kit came with, making sure we brushed off all that residue from filing our nails. Now for the fun part, adding the tips. Using the nail glue the kit came with. Keep a close eye on how I apply the nail glue onto the nail tip because this has helped me a ton. Now that it's ready, press down firmly by the cuticle area and slowly moving it downward. Move under UV lamp while still pressing down. I added a bit more glue because I didn't want any bubbles to be curing. This UV lamp I dislike and you will see why. First of all, my most important tip is to press down firmly while curing under UV lamp, and I cannot do that with this lamp. So I decided to bring my Savvyland UV lamp from my other Gelix kit that I absolutely love, and it is my favorite. You can definitely see the difference when curing. This is what I mean by pressing down under UV lamp. Anyways, we got that nail done. I will be doing the rest of the nails off camera. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Let me tell you, these nail tip shapes are giving the vibes. Grabbing my buffer to buff out the shine of the nails. Pause. I was so excited about the shape that I forgot about the length of the nails. Anyways, I'm using the nail tip cutter the kit came with. I did the first nail and I left a marking. I really thought it was the nail tip cutter because it's made out of plastic. So I decided to use my metal tip cutter, and it still did that same marking. It's just how curvy the nail tips are, which in reality is amazing. Now to resume on the buffing of the nails. Dust off, of course, all that residue. For the nail polishes, I'm using Camelot number 174 from Sally Hansen Extreme Wear collection. Let me tell you, this is by far my favorite nude color. As you can see, this is my very first bottle. I tried many, and this was the first nude polish I have gotten, and I couldn't find it until now. Shout out to Walmart. Next one, I'm using this Reticle Rockstar number 302 as well from Sally Hansen Extreme Wear collection. Applying Camelot on my middle and ring finger, then applying Reticle Rockstar to the rest. But this red polish is beautiful. It's my first time trying this color out. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. Keep in mind, I did apply a couple coats. For my ring finger, I did use Reticle Rockstar for a quick V French tip design. middle finger, a line across the top with 3 dots using, of course, my dotting tool. Now to use top coat to all nails, of course curing them after. Lastly, my cuticle oil to my cuticle area. Make sure you smooth it out as well. Voila, we got our nails done. Let me know in the comments below if y'all want to purchase this $10 Gelix kit from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below, of course, as well as how you guys think these turned out to be. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. We're almost to 600 Monarchs. So exciting. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.